Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove text from YouTube thumbnails using Canva. So if you have any thumbnail that you'd like to remove the text, on my screen here you can see in my file explorer I have two thumbnails that contain text, and I'm going to show you how I can remove text from, let's say, this one here, for example, right? The any viewer one. Right, so I already have those uploaded here in Canva, but I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's say you're inside Canva, you can search for thumbnail. So you can simply type in the word tub and you will see the YouTube thumbnail. You can click on that. It's 1280 by 720. And once you do that, click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail and you'll have a blank canvas here. Now you're on the uploads. I've uploaded those thumbnails. So I'm going to use this one, for example, right? And let's say I would like to remove the text. All I have to do is ensure that I click on this thumbnail, then click on edit image. Now, for those who don't have Canva Pro, unfortunately, this is required because as you can see here on those different magic tool options, it has a crown, and that means that you need to use Canva Pro. Maybe the magic edit does not need Canva Pro. As you can see, it doesn't have the crown there, but for the others, there's a crown and it requires Canva Pro, unfortunately. So if you've never used Canva Pro before, that's okay. You can get a 30-day free trial. So you can simply sign up for Canva, use the 30-day free trial, and you can utilize these features. Otherwise, if you've using it before, you can easily just pay for the 1 month. You can pay by the month or you can pay by the year. It's totally up to you. If you will find that Canva is going to be useful in your day-to-day life or your day-to-day editing, then I'm sure it will be worth it to pay this money for it per month. Right, so how do we go ahead and remove the text here? So all you have to do, simply click on the thumbnail, ensure that it's selected, and then click the grab text. So you can click on the grab text and you can choose the click or the alt text. I don't want to do the alt text because it's gonna grab all the text. So I just want to ensure that I click and I can choose the one that I want to grab. So let's say I would like to grab the any viewer here. I can simply click on this, then click on grab. And as you can see here, it's going to load up and allow me to move the text. Now have a look at that. See, I can move the text. So you can remove the text or you can easily go ahead and modify the wording of the text. So how amazing is that? So let's say I want to say any viewer, but I want to say tools. How cool is that? See, I can easily go ahead and change the name. Or if I want to delete it entirely, I can just simply click on delete and it's removed entirely. But let me Control Z. Let's say I just want to change it entirely, like the wording as well. I can say how to use, right? Simply say how to use, and the sizing is a bit different, so I can reduce the sizing so that it's easier to see. So let's say I would like to make it like that. So here you have it, and I can make it larger if I realize that I want to make the text bigger. Yeah, let me click this off. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and edit or remove text from your YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.